But today things are gonna change because I actually found a motorcycle that we can flip. But before we can get to work on that, there's still one more stream of passive income that we have to set up, and hopefully it'll make us some money at the expense of my dignity. We're turning to TikTok.
The idea here is simple. I'm offering ad space on my motorcycle. In the video, I told people to DM me an image or text to print out and place onto my bike. Each spot starts at just $1, and between you and I am quite literally planning to say yes to every offer, regardless of the price. However, I did mention that some spots, like the dashboard, are going to be considered top dollar real estate, with the bid starting at $10 per ad. Let's see what happens.
All right, I just posted the video on Instagram, as you can see, and also over on the TikTok. But while we wait for that, let's get started on this bike because we have a lot of work to do. This is the bike we're gonna be flipping. Now, if this bike looks familiar to you, it's probably because you've seen it before. For the past 2 years, it's been sitting in my backyard.